Today we're going to unbox the Ink and Volt Dated Midyear Planner. And I say dated because they do offer mostly undated. So I'm very excited that they have a dated. This starts in August and goes through July. They pretty much only offer, I shouldn't say pretty much, they only offer hardbound planners, so they don't have any spirals. And I did get this free in exchange for an honest review. So let's go ahead and review it. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now, Ink and Volt is one company that I always brag about as a huge success when it comes to Kickstarters. And this is quite a while ago when they were first starting out. They offered their planner on a Kickstarter, and you could do a pre-order through there, and it was very successful. And it's still up there because, just so you know, if you ever do a Kickstarter, it stays up forever. Even if you change your mind midway through the campaign, you can never ever take it down. I always warn people about that because I don't think they know because everyone's so used to just being able to delete things when they want to. But this is a great example of they did a great job with photography, with video, with doing a wonderful job explaining the layout and their thought process behind everything inside their planner. Now, obviously, the interior has changed quite a bit since that original Kickstarter, but that doesn't matter. You could just go look at it for an example. I will leave a link to it below for you. But this is their, I think it's called, this is Ruby Red, just so you know, the color. And this is the book. I think it's called the book. Let me tell you exactly what it's called. It's called the Brilliant Book Cloth series. So it feels a little clothy. It's not soft at all. It has some texture to it. And I mean, I like it. I do like things that are softer. This retails for $46.75. And then on their website for a little less, you can buy the Soft Touch series. Remember I said this wasn't soft. So the other one must be, I think, probably a pleather. And that retails for $42.75. However, that one only comes in 3 very dark, very masculine colors. The book one comes in a ton of bright, fun, like yellow, purple, like all sorts of different colors. And obviously they did let me choose a color, so that's the one I chose. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. It came in this plain USPS mailer, and I don't know if that's because I received a free sample or that's just how they send them out. And then there was another brown unmarked envelope inside of there. And then we have our Ink and Volt August through July Midyear Ruby Planner. Now, remember, this is the Brilliant Book Cloth series. So let's go ahead and see what this book cloth feels like. All right, I know you can't feel it, but it's basically just, I don't know how to describe it. It's just some, I guess, book cloth. It is kind of a weave. It's not soft. It feels a little rough. And I guess that's great if you like the texture. And let's open it up. So we have, this planner belongs to, we have 2020 through 2021. We have bringing your year into focus, your theme and vision, your timeline and goals, and we have a monthly. Now, I think what's going to happen, it's going to rinse and repeat for the rest of the book. And we did get 2 bookmarks inside of here. We received a red one, and I suppose if you received a different colored planner, you would have a different colored bookmark. And this is more of like a cream color. So here we go. So here's your August at a glance. And then we go into your goals for the month, your 31-day challenge, because there's 31 days in August, and what you want to do for that month. And I think this question changes each month. What are you most looking forward to in the month ahead? Your weekly goals, tasks, reflect and change. And then we go into a weekly format where it looks like you just get blocks. It says morning, noon, night, and you can put stuff for just Monday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are split on the last column into halves. And then do what you do best. Yeah, so each week asks you something new. This rinse and repeats over on the right, the exact same format and wording, and same thing as well for that weekly blocker. So track your progress. And we'll just go through because this is kind of just a rinse and repeat. Yeah, so we go to September. Did I skip September? No. We go to September and we get our 2-page monthly spread, and then we go to the goals and a 30-day challenge because there are 30 days in September instead of 31. So again, it's pretty much the same throughout the whole book. And then when you get to the very end, you get a few blank pages. Oh, and there's a 2-page section here that's a little different. Yep, that's it. Achievements, so the 6 achievements you did for the year. And then looking back at the year, and that's pretty much it. I think this is just for annual. I don't think each month had its own achievements in it. No, it did not. It's just for, these are your annual achievements for the year. So, and at the very bottom, as you can see that, it is ink and volts. It's like a debossed right over there. And that's pretty much the only identifying feature on the front. What did you think? This is a very masculine planner, and I say that because it's not, there's no color pages inside, and it is very plain Jane, like straight to the point. And I really associate that with planners made for men. Nothing wrong with that, even though it comes in a beautiful red. You could also get it in yellow and pink. So let me know what you thought. It's a really easy planner to start making. In fact, you don't even really need Adobe InDesign for the layout they have. You could have made that in Microsoft Word or in PowerPoint. So tell me below what you thought of that planner. If you're thinking that you like that more masculine sort of plain, like straight to the point kind of planner. Again, it's not a bad planner. I'm not like downplaying it or saying it's like not desirable. It's just a different style that I think, in my opinion, appeals more to men. So if you are interested in creating your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below, and I hope everyone's having a fabulous start to their weekend, and I'll talk to you guys on Monday.